to welcome you, man. We wanted to make you feel welcome. You guys celebrate Halloween in Scotland?
Yeah, we do.
And what do you want to be for Halloween?
Vincent Gallo.
Vincent Gallo. That is scary, kids. That is scary.
Now, when did you first start playing music?
Together as a band about 4 years ago.
Oh, cool.
Right on. What's your favorite part of playing music together?
I'm trying to be careful here.
It's having fun!
Of course, having fun.
Having fun!
Who's having fun despite the rain today, huh?
You guys have any questions for Found from Scotland?
Does anybody have any questions from Found? What goes in haggis, maybe? You have a... This guy. Alright, what's your question?
I want to know if y'all rock and roll.
She wants to know if y'all rock and roll.
Do y'all rock and roll?
If y'all rock and roll?
Yeah, of course we do.
Yeah, of course they do!
Code, total code. Alright. Any other questions for Found?
What's your favorite part of America?
Probably Brooklyn.
Are you
love
sure?
yelling that.
Are you sure it's not Central Park?
Central Park!
All right. Anybody have any other questions for Found while we have them? This is the moment you got them as a captive audience. Yes.
What's your question,
yes,
man?
Michael Jackson.
Is Loch Ness Monster real?
Oh.
Is the Loch Ness Monster real? Maybe Found can give us an answer all the way from Scotland. Let's hear.
In Loch Ness.
Of course. Yeah, of course it's real.
Hello.
Have you ever seen it? Yeah? You've all seen it? All right.
You've all seen it?
Another reason to love Found.
Where do you guys come up with your songs? I gotta know that.
We just work together, work hard, and it just happens.
I'm gonna use the C word. Do you use cooperation?
Always corrupt.
Hey, that kid's cooperation. All right, awesome. You guys are great. Guys, let's hear it one more time for Found.
Keep it going for Found, everybody. Make some noise for Found and yourselves and your moms and dads for hanging out at the Kid Rockers show here at Pumpkin Fest. 7,000 pumpkins.
7,000